Now let us see the preparation of alcohols. Alcohols are prepared from alkenes by acid catalyzed hydration. It takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. The other method for the preparation of alcohol from alkene is by hydroboration oxidation. It takes place according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. It is also known as Kharaj or peroxide effect. And the third method for the preparation of alcohol from alkene is oxymercuration demercuration. It involves the electrophilic addition of H2O on alkene according to Markovnikov's rule. Now let us see the mechanism of these one by one. So by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene, here we have taken propene. So when we are having this H2O in presence of H plus, which is acid, it gives propane 2-ol. So in the first step, the generation of hydronium ion will take place. So we have water here and it will take H plus from acid to form hydronium ion. In the second step, this hydronium ion is going to form carbocation from this propene. So we are going to get this secondary carbocation. And in the third step, attack of second molecule of water on carbocation will take place and it will form protonated alcohol. Then in the fourth step, this deprotonation of the protonated alcohol will take place and it will form the desired product propane 2-ol. By hydroboration and oxidation, it takes place as per the anti-Markovnikov's rule. So let's see its mechanism. So here we have propene and we have taken diborane. The general formula can be written as B2H6. So here this diborane attacks propene and it forms alkyl borane. Then further this alkyl borane is attacking the another molecule of propene to form dialkyl borane. And further it will attack the third molecule of propene to form trialkyl borane. And then on hydrolyzing, using this any base in presence of peroxide H2O2, this trialkyl borane is going to give the desired product, which is propane 1-ol, and it will form boric acid. In the case of oxymercuration demercuration, here these alkenes are hydrated to alcohols by the action of Hg2 plus salts like mercury acetate in the presence of tetrahydrofuran, which is commonly written as THF, as a solvent, and then followed by the demercuration using sodium borohydride. So here the mechanism is, we have this alkene group and we have taken here this silver acetate, and then it is going to attack to this double bond and is going to form a cyclic mercurinium ion, and then water molecule is going to attack to this carbon and will form this hydronium protonated product, and then minus H plus will take place to form organomercurial alcohol. Then in the next step, this will be gone by using the sodium borohydride in presence of THF and base. So it will form the desired product, which is hydroxyl group attached to this. Now let us see the preparation of alcohols from alkyl halides. So by the hydrolysis of alkyl halide, we get alcohol. So here we have CH3CH2Cl in presence of aqueous KOH and the moist Ag2O is used. It forms ethanol. And when we are having this propyl chloride, so again in presence of aqueous KOH and the moist Ag2O, it forms CH3CH2CH2OH. So the Cl is replaced by OH by using KOH or moist Ag2O. From carbonyl compounds also we prepare alcohols, and these are the different methods by which we can do so. So one by one we are going to discuss. So these are by reduction of aldehyde and ketones, by reduction of carboxylic acids and derivatives, by using Grignard reagents, and by hydrolysis of ester. So by the reduction of aldehyde and ketones, aldehyde is treated with hydrogen by using this reducing agent to form primary alcohol, and from ketone by reducing it with any reducing agent, it forms secondary alcohol. So reducing agent may be either sodium borohydride, it can be lithium aluminum hydride, or by using this hydrogen palladium or hydrogen nickel catalyst. So these are called Bowelt-Blanc reduction or Darson reduction, where we are using sodium hydride. So the mechanism of reduction by this lithium aluminum hydride is, we have this ketone and using this lithium aluminum hydride, so this hydride donation takes place and it forms this product. And then 3 molecules of acetone will again react with this adduct to form this product, and then by working up with the water we are going to get the desired product. So these are the examples we can see here. So here it is crotonaldehyde, and if we are using this reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride, it is only going to reduce this double bond O to OH, and it is not going to affect this double bond. However, when we are having this double bond attached to this benzyl group, in that case lithium aluminum hydride will also reduce this double bond as well as this double bond O. So here we have this cyclohexanone and lithium aluminum hydride. If we have used this D+, it's going to form this OD. So these are the different reagents, like lithium aluminum hydride is used for the different reactants, like when we have this carboxylic group, it will form RCH2OH. When we have this ROCOCl, it is going to form RCH2OH. When we are having this acetate RCOOR prime, then it is going to form this RCH2OH alcohol again. And when we are having this amide, then it is going to form RCH2NH2. By using Grignard reagents also we prepare alcohols, where we are having this keto group and this RMGX is going to form adduct, and then by hydrolyzing we are going to get the product of alcohol as well as MgOHX. Then if we have this formaldehyde in presence of Grignard reagent in the dry ether, and then by hydrolyzing we get this primary alcohol. So when we have this RCHO, any other aldehyde, so again by using this R prime MgX, where this R and this R can be any other alkyl, different alkyl if we want to use, then it is going to give this secondary alcohol. So when we have this ketone and Grignard reagent, then we will be getting this tertiary alcohol. By the hydrolysis of ester also we can form alcohol. So the ester on a hydrolysis either with acid or base yields corresponding acid and alcohol. So let's see, here we are having this ester. So this on alkali, that is NaOH, it forms this acetate and this alcohol is formed. And when we have used this H+, then it is forming acid, RCOOH and ROH. So these are the examples where we are having this R, C double bond OO, this R can be any other, and H+, which we have used acidic medium, so it is going to form this carboxylic group and alcohol. So from primary amine also we can prepare this alcohol. So here we are having this RNH2. By using this sodium nitrite and HCl, we form ROH, nitrogen and water. So example here is CH3, CH2, NH2 and NaNO2 is used along with acid. It forms ethanol,